because I want to experience it.
Video or photo?
Video.
Crocs.
What do you call it?
Croc.
Crocs.
Croc. Parang yung sapatos sa ating Crocs.
Crocs.
Sapatos, slipper.
Crocs. Ayan.
Sakaling makakatulog ako ng maayos mamayang gabi.
Oo nga eh.
What are you looking for, Po? Just you can do it. See? You can do it.
Yeah.
You can do it. That doesn't need to think what Nakita mo?
Mas ano pa to, yung isa, yung maliit, hindi masyado siya nagtatawag kay ano.
Kaya wawa naman yung isa.
Oo. Maswerte. Maswerte yung ano yung malita.
At saka bihira namang mag-ano yung maliit.
You upload in YouTube, oh. I cannot see. I can see.
What you gonna see?
Understand na?
No, you like that, ah.
Yeah.
Mm.
You upload in YouTube, ah.
What?
What, darling?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Post in YouTube, ah.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah. I can see.
You can see.
Mm.
So, this is what my friend's doing. My
Wow.
Indonesian friend. She's
It's
abusing
my
me.
hair.
This is Indonesian tradition
Ah.
massage. So if you don't feel good or you're unwell, they usually do this.
Okay.
But I'm actually unwell, but I'm just trying to experience it. I just want to experience because while I'm watching, I thought it's painful, but it's not really. It's painful. Actually, it's ticklish. It's not painful.
I make tattoo for
Yeah.
you.
Now they're making she's making tattoo in my
Tattoo.
back. I'll become Indonesian already.
But not permanent.
I'll become Indonesian already. Because while I'm watching Wati when she was doing it, I thought it was very painful.
Yeah.
It is not. It's not painful. It's tickle. Like someone's tickling your foot.
Oh. Pero ako tumingin darling no, ang ano,
Masakit.
parang ang hapdi.
Hindi naman.
Kaya na-curious ka.
Mm.
Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko.
It's not painful at all. Now I got tattoo.
Tattoo.
How if you have cough or cold, you can do this as well?
Huh? Cough?
Yeah.
I cannot do cough.
Just only back pain or you're not feeling well like that.
You get bad headache, stomach ache.
Yeah.
How about heartache?
Hard
When your boyfriend broke you up. Can you do that also? So your boyfriend, you will forget your boyfriend if he hurt you.
Yala.
So Supposed to be you should do that, right? Then you forgot already your boyfriend the next day. Oh, good.
Kung pwede lang, darling, di ba?
Yeah. Every time you have problem, you need to do this, and then the following day you forget everything already.
Yun na.
Everything's healed. Yes, Coco. It's time for you to go to sleep, Coco.
Mm.
You sleeping here or you sleeping outside? Yeah. Also Wati and Wawati.
Hi, darling.
How,
So,
how
kala
you
ko
feeling?
sinong ano.
How you feel? Can I sleep? You want to throw again?
Chang tu ah. Ah. Chang tu. Go sleep 啦。你要什么？啊？
不可以睡哦，
为什么
我不知道。
？You eat Panadol?
Ask
Another?
Ma'am Karen.
I have Panadol.
我还有，
有啊。
我抽烟，我抽
娃娃，
抽烟。
不可以等，不可以等，把很热在里面呢。你不可以等。
She's sleeping.
啊。
She will sleep there tonight.
Doon siya sa CR matulog.
Mm.
Oo.
Yeah.
Alam niya eh.
It's good. Yeah, because she's sleeping there. Sleeping, doing her cell phone. See in that part, it's tickles, like something poking on my back.
Okay, ready. Finish.
Okay?
Finish na.
See? It's finished already. See, this is how my friends dance. See? This is an Indonesian massage. Wow. Extra massage more.
Eh?
Merah banget ya.
Yeah. Very, very red.
Very red.
Yeah.
Very red, darling.
You can see already, I'm black, become red already.
Kasi ano ka, healthy yung mga kinakain mo kaya ganyan.
I have a really good blood. That's why
Yung,
all
yung,
the insect into the bed tonight will
Oh, video ah.
yeah, but I never,
See, making
Take-
YouTube. Thank YouTube.
get my
dahil,
YouTube.
your hand only, I do.
Show also her face. So she can see her face. See? Oh my god. I have tight muscle. I can feel it. See? Some cold on my back. That is so good.
Sabi pa ni ano, ni tatay. Ano daw, sino daw ang gusto magpaturo ng
Ano yan?
Chinese food. Chinese mga recipe.
Oh.
Daddy.
Walang sumagot. Hinahanap ko niya eh. Kanina, di ba nandun ka pa sa ano?
Si Al.
Oo. Kakaloka talaga. Sabi ni Malita. Kakapasok lang niya dyan. Naliligo.
Okay, darling.
Okay,
Finish
thank you.
ready.
So there you go. We got Indonesian massage. You have seen what? So please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell button down below para lagi kayong updated.